Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is Stitchfix unboxing. How exciting. I remember I set this up for December. Back, I think in October was the last time I got a fix. I actually got this cut from the cloth shirt. I love it. It's so comfy. It's like a nice thin gauzy cotton. Yeah. So for plaid, if you like it, I can link it below. Or at least I hope I do, because sometimes I forget. Okay, you guys, it is fix number like 33 or something like that. And you've seen these before. I'm gonna unbox them, show you each piece, and then I'll try them on for you. I will try to light my area better because my Rose Gal haul was a little dim, and I think it was because it was so dark outside. And guess what? It's dark again because it's December in the Northwest. We are north. We get dark at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah. I love Stitchfix, how prompt they are. I feel like when you get the notification that it is en route, for me anyway, and maybe that's because I am on the West Coast, but it gets here in like 2 days. So for someone who needs instant gratification, we like that. Okay, guys. Return envelope if we need that. We've got the letter and the fashion cards. So let's see what Nikki says. Ooh, I see a box in here for maybe some jewelry. All right, what does she say? Hi, Rebecca, happy holidays. I focused on finding you a few comfy and cozy layers similar to your pins and perfect for the busy and festive season ahead. I think you will love the super soft cotton blend Just Black jean. I know she sent me a Just Black jean a few fixes ago, and I do love them. They're comfy. It's perfect for dressing up or dressing down. Pair the jean with the Cozy Evolution Cowl-Neck pullover. You guys know I love my Simon Cowl-Necks. And the Kate Spade rose gold earrings. I'm sorry, those are probably 4 of my favorite words. Kate Spade rose gold. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, machine washable Chelsea and Theodore olive duster jacket, and blah, blah, blah. I think you will love the soft machine washable Market and Spruce knit. Pair the knit with the Just Black jean, add the cozy olive jacket, boots, good to go, running errands, happy holiday shopping. Haha. Yeah, let's see. Okay, it sounds kind of a casual holiday fix. I did ask for some statement pieces, so we'll see. It doesn't sound like that, but then I also kind of don't have, you know, you can really set your style meter, so to speak. So if you like a lot of evening, a lot of cocktail, a lot of kind of party, kind of fun, kind of edgy, then you might be getting more of those pieces. I'm kind of on the casual, everyday spectrum, so it sounds like that's what she focused on for me. And I'm in the Northwest, so it's not like I'm going to be heading out in a taffeta mini. The brick is super satisfying this month. It's thick and it's fuzzy. Oh, these are so sweet. You guys, I am a huge Kate Spade fan. I don't know if you know this. I got my first Kate Spade bag almost 20 years ago. Come on. See if it's not bright enough. Anyhow, these are precious. These are absolutely precious. I love rose gold. I love Kate Spade. We've already established that. Comes with a cute little dust cloth. Yeah, Kate Spade, oh God. It's just, I can't even tell you. It's just such a happy place for me. The store. Okay. So demure, cute. It'll even go with some of my Ana Luisa jewelry, some of my JJ Caprice's jewelry. Places I love to get jewelry. All right, guys. Digging in. Oh, this is different, you guys. It's black, it's knit, but it's kind of a waffle print. You know what I mean? You know, like the way long johns feel? That's what this is like. Ooh, and so dramatic in terms of this part. Like that is, you can't see the detail because it's black on black, but I love me a good cowl neck. So this looks comfy. I thought this was kind of like a sweatshirt, and it's not, but it does have a little pocket. And you guys know I need a pocket. I need to put my phone. This is almost like a Cowlneck baggy version of the one I got from Rosegal. This is the Evolution by CYRUS Landen Cowlneck Pullover, size small in $68. This is Market & Spruce. This is the Tulip Hem French Terry Knit Navy top. I don't know, kind of boring. I'm sorry, it might be cute on, but it looks a little too, I don't know, too kind of elementary school. You know what I mean? There's something about these stripes that just take me back to 2nd grade. And poor Nikki, she would not know that. This has like this envelope bottom, I think it's called. Did I get that right? But it does have like a little flap. So there's some detail on here, super soft, super comfy. We love machine washable. We will see if this makes the cut. These feel like butter. Butter. Remember that from Saturday Night Live? Just black. I think these are a size 6. Oh, they're size 28. I can't remember if she sent me an 8 before. So I think I have an 8 in some other just black. And so this Grace High Rise Super Skinny jean, I think they'll fit. I'm still kind of, jeans are about a 6 on me these days, but I guess I'm still just really self-conscious, and my mindset is that they should be an 8, but you know how that, I don't know. Do you know how that is? Yeah, but these feel fabulous. So we shall see. Oh God, yes. These are so soft. Okay, so I'm sorry, I forgot. Market & Spruce top is $58. These just black high-rise skinny jeans are $78. Now remember, when you keep all 5 and you use your purchase credit, ooh, and I have some other promotional credits. So, but keeping all 5 gives you 25% off. So that is a huge discount in the end. It's almost like having a free item. This textured duster jacket, okay, it is $98, which I would not, if I saw this in a boutique, I would fall in love with it, and then I'd talk myself out of it. But the fact that it was sent to my home, especially to me by Nikki, makes me say it was meant to be. It's got like a faux fur to it. Do you see this? It's like a mohair. How is this washed? Let's find out. Did she say machine washable? I'm looking for a care label. You can wash it cold, gentle, dry flat, or dry clean. That's amazing. That is amazing. It's like a giant cardigan. I mean, it's a duster coat. It has pockets, you guys. It has pockets. Wow. I mean, maybe I was wrong. This is a statement piece. Wow. Okay, guys. I'm going to try these on for you. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, here is the little top. And I say little because I still feel like it's, you know, I'm 5 years old in it. It's knit. It's comfortable. I just think it's kind of boring. I probably wouldn't buy this if I saw it at like the Rack or TJ Maxx, you know, because that's where I shop. Now let's talk about these jeans. These jeans are fantastic. They are high-waisted, they are soft, they stretch, and yeah, so let me see. I will show you. They are just really long. I definitely recommend sizing down when you get these like liquid denim that just hug you, because they will stretch out. So you're going to end up be dumpy butt if you go too big on these. Okay. And here's the cowl neck. I don't know if you can see the black on black. I'm trying to show it to you. Okay. See the little pocket? This is not as baggy as I thought. I would probably go to a size medium possibly, just to give it a little more of that slouchy feel. But it covers the butt. So if you can see, it's pretty good. I can't tell you. This is, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? It's amazing. I'm so in love with it. Oh my God. It's hecka warm. Well, there you have it, everyone. Thank you so much for watching me do my Stitch Fix unboxing for you. This was number 38, actually, and for December, it's a little different in terms of holiday festiveness, but I'm kind of liking it. Yeah. So if you see me in a video, I mean, my gosh, if I pet my beauty blenders or my Juno sponges because they're velvet, just think how I'm going to be petting this like furry sweater. Alrighty, thank you so much. I will leave you my referral code down below if you'd like to sign up for Stitch Fix. I get a credit, and then guess what? While you're using Stitch Fix, share it with your friends and you'll get a credit too if they sign up. So it's no special YouTuber thing, it's just the way Stitch Fix works. Let me know what you think of the pieces, and I will list the details below. Thanks again, Nikki, and I will see you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much. Bye.